Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pasquini espresso machine. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see we get a nice shot of espresso. It's a bit slow, but that's just because the coffee I'm using is a little too fine. I have the coffee set up for a Linea Mini, which has a lot more strength. And yeah, but otherwise it's working well. Let's go ahead and test the other functions. Let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. And the hot water. Hot water is working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.